welcome to In the Kitchen. I'm your host, Angela Hochman, and have we got a show in store for you today? I have brought on the one and only, we're gonna call her Miss Jan. She is the chef and owner of Soule 2.0. Thank you for joining me today, Miss Jan.
Good morning, thank you for hosting me.
Of course, of course. So I wanna get right down to business. What are we gonna cook today?
We are going to make our seafood fries.
Seafood. I've had a lot of fries in my day. I don't think I've ever had seafood fries.
Well, you haven't had Soule seafood fries either.
Okay.
Shall we?
What else are we gonna make?
We have to get the fries going first.
Oh, get the fries. You're like, calm it down, Angela. I'll get to it.
Okay.
Oh, yum. Okay. So is this a recipe that you came up with yourself? Is this something you grew up eating?
This is a recipe that I came up with myself. Being that a lot of
Safety goggles on.
A lot of people have adopted pescatarian diets. Wanted to make sure that we had more than just chicken or beef or something like that to offer as an appetizer portion. So decided to do something that plays along with seafood.
Perfect. And you know what? This could totally be an entree. I know you said appetizer, but I would 100% eat that for dinner.
Oh yeah, it's good. It's filling. You get your carbs and your proteins at the same time.
So while things are popping and sizzling and sauteing, I want to ask you a couple questions, Miss Jan. When I hear 2.0 in a title, it kind of makes me think of like your second act or the next thing. So what does 2.0 mean in your case?
2.0 is the second location. We actually opened up Carson-Slaughter #1 in the middle of COVID in November of 2021 in Fairview Heights, Illinois.
Gotcha.
And we stayed there for roughly 2.5 years, and we had to leave because the space wasn't large enough to accommodate the patrons that, we were acquiring at that time.
That's a very humble way of saying that so many people wanted to eat there, you just didn't have room for everybody. So you chose to make the move to downtown St. Louis on Wash Ave?
Yes, the formerly the old Gringo's building.
Yes. So what does that space offer that perhaps Fairview Heights didn't? Why did you move there?
We're able to host up to like 112 people. And also we have what we call a VIP room. So that would be able to accommodate our clients if they wanted to have a more intimate setting, or if they were looking for just somewhere to hang out and just do things in private, small business dinners, things of that nature.
So special events, like people come there for a birthday, like you said, a work event, something like that?
Birthday parties. We just hosted my son's engagement party there.
Oh, well, congratulations.
In December of this last year.
Oh, how wonderful.
Yes, thank you.
So I want to back up a bit. Is the culinary world something that you grew up with, something that you sort of picked up into adulthood? How'd you find yourself here?
I found myself here. I have cooks in my family. Would you mind passing me that Kinder's, please?
Which one?
The Kinder's.
Kinder. Ooh, buttery garlic and herb.
Of course.
These are a few of my favorite things.
Started off, I have a line of cooks on my family, both parental and my mother's side and my father's side.
Okay.
And always enjoyed being in the kitchen with my mother's brothers. They were large barbecue
yum.
cookers, and just learning a lot of things from them.
Looks so good.
Thank you. Kind of took it, under my wing with their training. My mother's sister, she was the supervisor of the local school district's culinary department, and a lot of things I learned from her.
That's incredible.
My soul food cooking, so to speak. My mother's a great cook as well. And kind of took it from there. My husband and I started a catering company back in 2012. And initially, we were just going to service, school districts, maybe prepare dinners or something on Fridays and things of that nature. And it just started growing from there.
Wow, so it started as a small catering, I want to be part of the community, and now you find yourself in a very large space in downtown St. Louis with so much to offer.
Yes.
Wow, okay, so can you sort of describe the menu? I know it's soul food, but there's a lot of different soul food. Describe what makes yours so special?
What makes ours special is that everything that we do, we craft it out of labor of love for each person that we service. The seasonings, you know, the thoughtfulness that comes in to everything that we prepare is done out of a labor of love for what we do, which is our craft. We wanted to create a more home-style feeling for our patrons. If you've ever been to Cracker Barrel, you notice when you walk in the door, it kind of feels like Grandma's kitchen.
Yes, yes, yes.
Aunt Bee's house or something like that. That's the vibe that we like to create for our patrons. You know, you're coming in as a patron, but you're leaving as a friend.
Oh, I love that. That should be on a t-shirt. That's adorable. But you know, people feel that. It's like you can go to a place if you want fast or takeout or something like that. It's very different than the sit-down, comforting.
Absolutely.
It's like going out and dining is sort of an escape in a great way. Sometimes I'm like, I just want to get waited on. I'm tired of making dinner 7 nights a week. So you really take care of your customers.
And we try to have everything that's accommodating to a lot of people. We have not gotten our vegetarian menu completely together, but like I said, we have some things that are pescatarian friendly, which are our seafood options.
Yes.
We try to be mindful of the kiddos. And we have
What's the
different
kids' menu you got going on?
Of course, chicken fingers and mac and cheese.
Oh, yum.
That's something that our kids are big on, right?
We will be there, don't you worry. Yum. When you're cooking, you're just sort of popping some things in here and there. You are the main chef there. Do you come up with all these different menu items and things perhaps change out seasonally? Or do you keep your staples on?
Yes and no. These things, this is something that we created roughly about 1.5 years ago, maybe 2.
Okay.
But our things that you will probably find that are for certain, our bubble wings. That's a sweet and spicy sauce that we use. That's forever.
Okay.
Fish.
Yum.
Meatloaf.
Catfish is a huge thing. Oh, meatloaf?
Meatloaf.
Gosh dang.
Cabbage and collard green mix.
Everything. Everything
All
just
the
sounds
things.
so decadent and mouth-watering
ma'am.
and comforting and
Thank
made with
you.
love. I'm gonna let you finish up sauteing all those yummy vegetables or all those yummy seafood. When we come back, we are gonna get down to business. We're gonna talk grits. We're gonna talk all things Karsyn Soule 2.0. So don't go anywhere. We will be right back. Welcome back to In the Kitchen. When we left off, Miss Jan and I were making these delicious seafood soule fries. And now we're whipping up some shrimp and grits. Miss Jan, how's it going?
It's going great.
I can tell. You're just,
Thank you.
You are in the zone here, I can tell.
Yes, ma'am.
So I assume, are shrimp and grits one of the most popular dishes?
Yes, it is.
At the restaurant? Yeah. What's your favorite?
Bubble wings.
The wings?
Yes. Bubble wings. Well, I'm a big chicken kind of girl. I love chicken. Chicken fixed any kind of ways. Barbecue, saute it, grill it, however you choose to do it. I just love chicken.
It.
Yes.
Okay, so what would you recommend if someone's come in and maybe they haven't had a ton of soul food in their life?
Try our cabbage and collard green mix.
Wait, cabbage and collard greens? I like those things separately. Never had them together.
Delightful.
Why? Why is it so good?
You just get layer upon layer upon layer of flavor from the cabbage and the green itself, along with the smoked meats. Did I mention the flavor?
You did not.
Okay.
Wait, what? Smoked meats? Now we're talking.
Meats, yeah. That we add to the greens while we're cooking them. And once the cabbage is done, we just marry everything together and just creates this rumbuster flavor.
Oh, It's like I can smell that the way you're describing it. And great way to get your vegetables and protein.
All the things, yes.
Nothing wrong with that. So I'm just so curious because you've had quite a journey from when you started to now, and you've got a bright, beautiful future ahead.
Thank you.
What is something that, do you have like a goal with Karsyn's 2.0?
The goal actually is to become a chain
Oh, okay.
where we will be in different states. And that would be pretty much it, the goal.
That's the goal, yeah?
Yes, that's the goal.
Well, I think if you keep
become a
at it,
chain.
I don't see that not happening.
Well, I can't clone myself. That's the only thing that I worry
Yeah,
about.
well, I know. That's the main thing. So, what else is on the horizon?
Other than that, I'm going to be a grandmother within the next 6 to 7 months.
Okay, okay.
My son is expecting his first child,
Oh,
which is our
that's
first
so
grandbaby.
wonderful. Oh, get ready. Buckle up, Miss Jan. You're like, I can't cook today for other people. I'm taking care of this beautiful grandbaby.
Thank you.
Oh, and what a special thing to share in your family, because you and your husband own this together.
Yes.
Which is a very special thing when husband and wife can make a great business team as well.
Yes. Well, he and I can't coexist in the kitchen. That's
Okay.
already been established.
We've learned that.
Yes,
Okay,
we've learned
everyone's
that
got
a long
place.
time ago. Although we get
boundaries.
together and we marry food together nicely, we
Okay.
just cannot work together in the kitchen. So he runs the front part of the house while
Sure.
I keep the back part of the
Yes,
house.
I did meet him. He has a lovely, sparkling personality. Of course,
Thank
he's in the
you.
front of the house, and you're just the boss in the kitchen regulating.
Yes, ma'am.
So remind me, what are the days that you're open? I know you take a couple days off. What days are those?
We are closed on Mondays and Tuesdays.
Okay, good
and
for you.
We are open Wednesday through Saturday from 11 to 9. On Sundays, we open up at noon and we close at 6.
Ooh, okay. Well, that's perfect. I'm glad you take those back-to-back days off.
Yeah, everybody needs a day of rest.
Yes.
And on
Take
those
two.
days, we'll be offering, on Fridays, we'll be offering our all-you-can-eat catfish. For
What?
some reason, we've become known for our fish. So we'll be offering all-you-can-eat catfish on Fridays and Sundays.
You have buried the lead there. I've never heard of a place doing all-you-can-eat catfish. That sounds so good.
Yes.
How are our grits coming along?
Oh,
I'm
they're
getting
coming.
hungry.
They're coming.
Yeah.
They're coming. It takes a little time. but
Sure. Again, it's made with love.
Made with love and a little more few secret ingredients. I'll share one. I add cream cheese to mine.
Wait, cream cheese to your grits?
Yes.
How did that come into play?
It's just a little thing of trial and error, trying to figure out what could I do to make them creamy and stay moist while they're sitting. And I said, let me try some cream cheese. And
That's
it worked.
a great idea. That's amazing. So a lot of this, again, I love watching you cook because you're just like, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Like you said, a lot of trial and error.
And also, I add a little chicken bouillon.
Booyah for bouillon. That sounds
Give it a little life.
delicious. I'll help stir. We'll get these
There
grits.
you go.
Oh, we're getting close.
Yeah.
We are getting close. Oh, I can't wait to try. What else has really surprised and delighted you about the journey of a restaurateur?
Just the feedback that we get. Of course, we're not for everybody, and that's fine. But we have a lot of followers on both social media and with our catering company as well.
Yeah.
We have people that started with us when we opened in 2012. Well, when we started the catering business in
Sure.
2012, that are still following us until now.
Amazing.
Yeah, so we have some people who actually had arm babies when they started following us, and we were fortunate to cater even weddings
Oh
for
my
these arm babies
gosh.
now. Yeah, so that's the
Well, I
part
know
of the journey.
a baby shower that might need some catering in a few months. I'm so happy for you. That's
Thank
really
you so
wonderful for
much.
your growing
Thank
family.
You. Thank you.
Yum. Okay.
Yeah, they're doing good. They'll be coming out in a few minutes.
Perfect.
The shrimp are done.
I'm so excited
Would
to
you
try
like to
these.
try one of these?
Would I?
Okay.
That's why I got here. I'm
Okay.
so excited. I was like, oh, these are some of my favorite
You
things.
get your fork.
Oh, my fort. We're just jumping in.
Okay. All right, let me try
Yeah,
this.
you really said it with the community. It's like you could have the best food, you can have a great team behind the lines in the kitchen, but without people in those seats, that restaurant's not going to survive.
It's useless, and we try to make sure that our patrons know that we're extremely appreciative, of them patronizing us.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
also the referrals that we get.
Absolutely. Oh, word of mouth is
Yes,
everything. It's like
yes.
marketing, yes, that's important, but people will tell everybody about a great meal. I know I do. May I try this, or do I
Yes.
have to wait for the grits?
No. Go ahead.
I'm getting hungry. Oh my.
Is it okay?
Okay. This is out of this world.
All right. Very
Oh my
good.
gosh, I'm
Very
gonna get
good.
back. And there's still other ways I can enjoy it here with the grits, with the fries. Okay, well, before we wind down, I know those grits are almost ready. Anything else you want the fine folks to know about you, about the restaurant?
We're very family-oriented people, as some people will, they know. And we take what we do. We don't take what we do lightly. So if there's an issue or a problem with anything, talk to us about it. And basically, that's just about it.
Oh my gosh, I just ate that whole thing. I don't know if I was supposed to eat it yet, but dang.
Okay, we're gonna add these grits.
Let's get it.
Watch your hands.
Let's get it, Miss Jan. Oh, and you get a facial with it. Holy cow. Dang. Is this a typical serving size? Really? This is bigger than my head. But I'm really eyeing those fries too. Oh my gosh. Do you ever get sick of these smells? You
Nope.
say no.
I love it. Sometimes I try to think about what can I do to intensify.
You can make a candle
Yes.
called Seafood Soule. Is it time to eat?
It's time to eat.
I feel like I should share. You literally did all the work and I'm just standing here yakking. Okay, I'm gonna get in on a little bite of this. Oh my gosh.
I have the grits.
I wanna try them together. I'm big on like, get both flavors in at once. Yeah? Give yourself a thumbs up, I like that. It's very hot. Oh, hot. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh, but it's so good, and I do love piping hot food. This is outstanding, Miss Jan.
Thank you so much.
You have completely outdone yourself.
Thank you.
You have one more bite just because. Oh my gosh, and a fry. Oh,
You gotta eat it with the shrimp on there.
I can't fit it all at the same time.
Okay.
Oh my, watch this.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I went there. I
Oh, you
dipped the
started
fry
something.
in the grit. Oh my Lord.
You started something.
I need a moment. This is exquisite. This
Thank
is
you.
so good. You guys, you are going to want to be part of the community that Miss Jan has created. This is outstanding food. It is so good. I'm going to eat more as soon as we're finished here. Keep up with them on social media. That's where all the good stuff is. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and hit them with a phone number if they want to book an event, or do they call for reservations as well?
No, we're open.
Okay,
We're open.
Walk on in. Miss Jan will take care of you.
Our phone number for catering is area code 618-979-0303.
Miss Jan, I cannot thank you enough. It was really fun hanging with you, cooking with you, smelling all the things. This has
Thank
just
you.
been an absolute delight. Really happy for you. In 2.0, you are unstoppable.
Yes.
While you're on social media, don't forget about STL TV. You can find us on all those fun social media platforms. Of course, the website's always available too. And friends, if you're out and about and you're thinking, oh, this restaurant might be a good guest for Angela in the kitchen, you send us a note on Facebook, okay? Check us out. We want to support you and the amazing, robust, delicious food scene St. Louis has to offer. That's gonna do it. I'm Angela Hochman. I gotta go. These aren't gonna eat themselves. So thanks for watching. We will see you next time.